everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. I should actually welcome myself back here. So welcome back to me. And welcome back to you. And if you are new here, welcome to us. Welcome. As you guys saw by the title, today we are doing some knotless braids. So if you watched my last video, you'll see that ek is into the protective besigheid. Like, I don't usually do protective stylings. I've never tried it in my life. So this here, I'm attempting it. So this time around, I tried some knotless braids. Now, if you look closely, you'll see my flyaways so because I don't sleep with a doekie. Because I myself felt like no, it's not protective styling in the perm gaan aanbly. It's going to stay the way it was supposed to. It's not going to do what it does when my hair is in its natural state, like without braidings and stuff like that. So that's why it looks like that's what so like so like. But and yes, and I tried doing the gel thing at the end. I don't like it. But anyway, to each his own. Anyway, thank you guys for being here. I cannot thank you enough for being here. Like, how have you guys been doing? I hope you guys are doing good and you're staying warm. And woo, it's winter buiten. Like, it's so cold, guys. Like, I can't even imagine how people that sleeps outside and that doesn't have a home and the warmth that we have or stuff that we have to keep us warm. I can't even imagine how they must be experiencing the cold, and I can only keep them in my prayers and help where I can. And also people, I pray that people out there reach out and help where you can and stuff like that. So and keep them in your prayers because it's tough actually. But yeah, what nog? It feels like it's been a while since I've been here. Like, I have a lot of catch up to do, but we're going to leave that for the other video, for another video. Because here today we are here for some knotless braids, and I am going to show you how I achieved this knotless braid. Yeah, let's get straight into it. And just a note, please do invite your friends and your family to subscribe. And if you are here watching this right now and you have not yet subscribed, I just want to know. What are you waiting for? Do subscribe. Click on the button, subscribe, and click on the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. And like and comment. Let me know what you think. Or anything that you'd like to see me do. Let me know down below. And I will be at your service. So be nervous. But without further ado, let's get into the video. Please do enjoy. And have a great day or week whenever you are watching this. Have a great day, have a great evening, have a great week. Be safe and stay warm and have fun. Enjoy life within the moment. Bye. Okay, so we're starting off, as you guys can see, I'm just showing you on the front part like how I achieved everything. My parting is not very perfect, but it works for me. Like, I'm not a perfectionist, so if it looked good, I'm good with it. So okay, so basically I started off by pre-parting my hair and just putting it in mini toss to get it out of the way, and then I take that piece and I comb it out and then moisturize it. I think the secret to protective styling is good moisturization. I think in all aspects of being natural, or in all aspects of hair and skin, even moisturizing can only be good. So I moisturize it with as I am double butter and some coconut oil, and then yeah, just make sure everything is moisturized. Okay, so now this is where the secret to the one part comes in. So you take your braiding hair, the two pieces, and make one piece. So as I'm showing you here, make sure there's 3 legs to the one piece. Then I just put some gel at my roots, and then proceeded to braid that piece. Obviously, like the first part of my hair, I don't go down like very far. I just make sure it's like a little inch, yeah. And then I take that 3 pieces, adding it to the 3 legs of my own hair, as you guys can see, and then just continue braiding as normal. Just make sure that the one piece is not very big, like because if you add it to your own hair, it shouldn't like stand out and make a knot in the middle of your braid, if you get what I'm saying. As you guys can see, I'm just checking if it's standing out, and it did a little, but at this point in time I was so far into it already, I didn't even want to turn around. But I continued with that one, and then complete the other one and rectified it at the end, or did it, or like redo the braid again. Okay, so I found a better piece to actually like show you what I did, or to show you better what I did. A note with the braiding hair and the one piece that you're making, always take the 2 pieces that you take, make one piece smaller than the other, because obviously it's going to connect in the middle and make a big piece, like similar to the other 2 legs of the one piece, if that makes sense. And then you just gel your roots, and then just braid it down a little, inch down or 2 inches down, and then add the 3 legs to the 3 legs of your braid, and then continue braiding as normal. It can be tricky, but it's a practice makes perfect thing, and I'm not a fan of perfect, so you do, if it looks good to you, do it. But you'll find the nick of it as the more you do it. That's why I move from back to front, because when I come in front, dan is ek al goed. So yeah, you just braid normal. I'm sure a lot of you are used to seeing the knotless braid, the feed-in method type thing, where you like braid down and then add a piece and add another piece and add another piece. To me, I figured that would be a bit difficult to do on my own, which I'm up for the challenge, but we can make life simpler by doing one piece. Why not? And say hello to my sleepy I just want to mention again, this is my first time that I'm trying this, and I had no problem with how the hair came out or the result of the hair. As you guys can see, my parting a zigzag dancing in a line with reguit loopie. So I don't really mind it not being like a perfect part or a perfect size braid. I just like how it looked at the end. It wasn't very heavy and it looked nice and it was comfortable. I could sleep without the dookie. And yeah, I ended up burning the ends. I thought I'd leave it just like that, but I ended up burning the ends to make it look better, which it did. So if you want to do that, and that is how it turned out. It turned out good for me. I kept some edges out for the edges, and voila,